Dominic has had a history of acting up in class and getting sent to the principal's office. When he was in middle school, he had a reputation of getting into fights with other students because he was rebelling against his situation at home. Losing his mother at an early age made him feel like he lost a part of himself, and when no one reached out to him, he began to resent the teachers and counselors. He began to feel like a number and not a person. He had one teacher who treated him very poorly, so he started to lose his trust in adults, and his love of school evaporated. Dominic wakes up and has to make breakfast for his sisters and dad and get his sisters ready for school. He walks his sisters to the nearby elementary school to drop them off, and then heads over to his school. He started taking on this role of caregiver when his mother passed away from cancer when he was 12. He arrives at school 10 minutes before the morning bell and is usually tired and hungry. With no time to stop by the cafeteria for breakfast, he reports to his first period class, English, distracted and with the pangs of hunger in his stomach. He sees one of his classmates across the room eating hot Cheetos out of a bag he has hidden in his backpack. He knows that eating in his first period class is prohibited, but all he can think about is getting a handful of those Cheetos. Their spice will help ease his hunger for a short while and allow him to concentrate. Its spice will wake up his senses and give him a clear head and a little rush. He knows that eating hot Cheetos in the morning will give him a stomachache later, but at the moment, it is all he can think of. Good morning, class! Today we have a very exciting lesson about verb phrases. Will everyone please take out their notebooks and begin copying the sentences from the board into today's notes? I will give you 3 minutes to do this while I check everybody's homework. Knowing that he does not have his homework completed, Dominic gets up out of his seat and walks across the room to the student with his Cheetos. Dominic, return to your seat and take out your homework and notebook. I did not say to get up out of your seat. What are you doing anyways? I just need to sharpen my pencil, man. Chill! Dominic proceeds to the pencil sharpener to sharpen his pencil. Then on the way back to his seat, he stops by the Cheeto eater. Says loudly, Bro, hook me up with some of them Cheetos. I'm starving. Now visibly irritated. Alright, Dominic. We are not going to get into this today. It's only Monday, and I have been very clear with my instructions. Now gather your things and go down to the office. In my classroom, you have to follow the rules. Don't you see how everybody is distracted now? Dominic, visibly irritated as well, yells to the class, Whatever, bruh. This class is whack anyways. We don't learn nothing in here. I'm so over this, man. I'm out. As you may have noticed, this situation escalated very quickly. What are some points at which the teacher could have reacted differently to defuse the situation? How could have the teacher reacted to take into account the home life of the student, even though they may not have known about it?